We were scheduled very easily and the work was done within a very reasonable amount of time. My name is Sarah and I'm a customer of Joyland Roofing. We have had several roofs in the past. We are new to Pennsylvania. We lived in Colorado for 13 years, and for those who don't know, the hail in Colorado can be frequent and destructive. So we've actually had 3 roofs in the past 10 years. So the roof here in Pennsylvania with Joyland was our 4th roof. The joke with us was, oh, here come the flat tires, because the roofing companies always leave nails behind, and we had none. I mean, we actually scoured the driveway and the whole area just to make sure, the kids wouldn't step on them, the dogs wouldn't step on them, we wouldn't have the flat tires. There was not a single nail left on the property. We had just had all of our mulch done new, and you couldn't even tell that there had been workers here. It was pretty impressive. We were very happy. It was not an easy roof to do. I mean, it's a large roof, but then there was also a lot of different details, and we have a turret, and there were things that I wasn't quite sure they were going to do well, and it's beautiful. The final product was beautiful. If you're considering working with Joyland, I would highly recommend them. Based on our experience with past roofers, they deliver the best product that we've seen, and have some great people to work with. Communication was great, and we were thrilled.